We often use equality and equity interchangeably, but in legal, the difference between them defines what truly justice means. In fundamental rights, we have Article 14, that is equality, but it has two ideas, that is equality before the law and equal protection of the laws. Equality before the law means everybody is equal before the law. No one is above the law. Everybody treated the same. Under equal protection of the laws, the government can treat different group of people differently to achieve real fairness, but that should be based on valid reason. We will understand this through two landmark judgments. In the West Bengal versus Anwar Ali Sarkar case, in that West Bengal wanted to create special courts for a speedy trial, but it did not define which cases should go to these courts. For example, if two people were committed same offence, one could go to normal court and another to special court. Then the Supreme Court struck down this law and said it is arbitrary in nature and it must have reasonable classification. And in another case, Indra Sahni versus Union of India, in that case, government gave 27% of reservation to OBC people. Then it was challenged as it is violating Article 14. Then the Supreme Court gave its verdict as reservation is valid because backward people also need some extra support. Here the Supreme Court upheld equal protection of the laws. Treating unequal people equally is not fair. Backward people also need some extra support to create equal opportunity.